What point does the training manual
Yeah.
make about anesthesia workstations? What point does the training manual make about anesthesia workstations? What point does the training manual make about? So they're talking about what point is being made about this anesthesia workstations. Okay, so I have to read through anesthesia workstations. Studies on the safety in anesthesia have been documented in anesthesia. Studies on safety in anesthesia have documented that human vigilance alone is inadequate to ensure patient safety and have underscored the importance of monitoring devices. These findings are reflected in improved standards of equipment design, guidelines for patient monitoring, and reduced malpractice premiums for the use of capnography and pulse oximetry during anesthesia. Anesthesia workstations integrate ventilator technology with patient monitors and alarms to help prevent patient injury in the unlikely event of a ventilator failure. Furthermore, since the reservoir bag is a part of the circuit during mechanical ventilation, the visible movement of the reservoir bag is a confirmation that the ventilator is functioning. So, um, basically, if you read this paragraph, you understand that they are talking about multiple ways in which you can ensure if this ventilator is functioning or not. Right? They are saying that they are saying that you know human vigilance alone is inadequate. That means they have done some studies on the safety of anesthesia, and what they have found out is that a human, just being vigilant and trying to find out is not enough, is inadequate. That will not ensure patient safety, and they have given they are giving underscoring the importance of monitoring devices. They will say the human vigilance is alone is inadequate and monitoring devices should be used instead, should also be used. Okay, these findings are reflected in improved standard. Because of these findings, equipment designs have been improved, guidelines for patient monitoring, reduced malpractice premium for the use of capnography and pulse oximetry during anesthesia. A lot of things changed. Okay, then they are talking about anesthesia workstations integrate ventilator technology with patient monitors and alarms to help prevent patient injury in an unlikely event of a ventilator failure. Furthermore, since the reservoir, so they are saying that there are alarms integrated into this, so that in case ventilator failure happens, which is an unlikely event. Okay, unlikely event in the sense there is a very rare chance that a ventilator failure could occur. Okay, that is what you mean by the word unlikely. Okay, so um, and if you look at option number A, that says that parts of the equipment, and what equipment they are talking about? Ventilator. Okay, so what
No.
have been shown to be vulnerable to failure? Yes, no. They're saying that it's an unlikely event that it will fail. There's less chances that it will fail.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Furthermore, since the reservoir bag is a part of a circuit during mechanical ventilation, there have been another uh, thing that you should be considering to ensure that this thing is functioning. Okay, they're saying the visible movement of the reservoir bag is a confirmation that the ventilator is functioning. So that they're giving another confirmation how you can confirm if this thing is functioning or not. Right. So I will go with option number B because that says that there are several ways of ensuring that the ventilator is functioning effectively. Yes, that is what they have mentioned. And A, we already eliminated. If we go through C, monitoring by health professionals is a reliable way to maintain patient safety. On the contrary, they have just written something opposite to it. Okay, they have mentioned that human vigilance alone is inadequate. Okay, so monitoring by health professionals is a reliable way to maintain patient safety. No, that's not the right answer. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.